In this problem, we have 4 squares arranged like this, and the question is to find the angle Z. So how we will do it? We will use, of course, those two angles X and Y. We have tangent of X is equal to BC over AB, which is equal to BC over AB is 3BC. Since we have just squares, all those distances are equal. So here we cancel BC, it's equal to 1/3. So tangent of X is equal to 1/3. Now let's see for Y. For Y we have tangent of Y is equal to DE in this triangle, DE over AD, and of course it's equal to DE over, and DE is also 2DE, the same method as the previous one. So here we cancel DE, it's equal to 1/2. So now we have tangent of X and tangent of Y. So tangent of X is equal to 1/3, and the tangent of Y is equal to 1/2. Now let's evaluate the tangent of the sum X plus Y. So we have tangent of X plus Y. We will use the rule. It's equal to tangent of X plus tangent Y over 1 minus tangent X times tangent Y. This is the rule for tangent of X plus Y. So we replace with the values. So here tangent of X is 1/3 plus 1/2 over 1 minus 1/3 times 1/2. So let's just continue here, meaning that tangent X plus Y is equal to, here 1/3 plus 1/2, the common denominator is 6, and here we have 2 plus 3, and here we have 1 minus 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6, which is of course equal to, here we have 2 plus 3 is 5, so 5/6, and here the common denominator will be 6, so we'll have 6, and here 6/6, so 6 minus 1/6, which is of course equal to, here it's equal to 5/6 over 6 minus 1 is 5/6, and of course it's equal to 1. So the tangent of X plus Y is equal to 1, and we have also from here we have X plus Y is less than 90 degrees. And since tangent of X plus Y is equal to 1, we have X plus y is equal to arctangent of 1. And here x plus y is less than 90 degrees. Of course, the arctangent of 1, which is less than 90 degrees, is just 45 degrees. Here we have those three angles, the sum of those three angles, x, z, and y. We have x plus z plus y is equal to 90 degree, because here it's also a square. So z will be equal to 90 degree minus x minus y, or if you like, minus x plus y. And of course, it's equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree, and it's of course 45 degree. So the value of the angle z is equal to 45 degree. And this of course concludes this problem.